Good morning. Today we are going to pour our beeswax candles, and then we're going to do some flower dissections with some alstroemerias. Beeswax is kind of temperamental, so for safety reasons we're going to do it in a bulk batch, and we're not scenting it or anything like that. So I will bring it to you tomorrow in your lab materials. So for today, go through and click on the flower dissection lab. Today what you're going to do is you're going to take your flower. I actually gave you a couple of them just in case you need them. And let's see here. So evidently the first page is empty. So in class here we're going to print this off and we're going to use it. So I have provided a paper copy for you. And you can go ahead and dissect your specimen and put the parts in the left one here where it says physical specimen. Write a written description, handwrite, and then count the number of petals and sepals and things like that. And then also what is the function. So as you go through this, you don't have to tape it down, but you can take a picture of your answers and you can send it to my email. And that will work just fine. And actually, my email for school, for some reason, doesn't necessarily accept pictures. It comes in as blank. So if you could send it to my Gmail, that would be great. And that email address is sfritz, so sfritz7833@gmail.com. Okay, go ahead and go through and read some of this stuff here, and I look forward to seeing your picture today. Thank you. Have a good day.